Obviously, you have a good relationship with Shakur Stevenson, but now, especially after his performance with Jamel Herring, even though he is a 130-pound champion, he's being mentioned, obviously, with those young names yourself, the Ryan, the T.O. What do you think, not just his performance, but moving forward, potential showdown down the line?
Of course, me and Shakur know that eventually, down the line, we're going to meet up, at the top, and I'm going to support him up to that point. Me and Shakur, we've been friends since as long as I can remember, as long as I've been boxing, as long as we both been boxing. So, hopefully, he keeps doing good. I'm rooting for him. I want to see him win. Him and Jay are family to us. So, hopefully, when it's all said and done, when we down the line, we meet up and we make a super fight.
Now, Gary Russell fought Jojo Diaz, and I know that Gary wanted to fight you and all that. Is it important to make a statement
He
to
wanted to fight me? Are you sure about that? Because when it came down to it, he didn't want to fight me.
Why is that? What was the whole reason?
I don't know. You tell me. Shit, I don't know why they don't be wanting to fight me. You know what I'm saying?
It was a fun saga.
Yeah, no, it was fun. It was fun. I respect Gary. I like Gary. Of course I wanted to make a fight happen, but other than that, he went in there, he beat the shit out of JoJo.
Are you gonna do better? And is that the goal? To do better than
Styles make fights at the end of the day. I'm not trying to outdo nobody. I'm trying to go in there and win and look my best doing it. Gary beat him his way. I'm gonna beat him my way.
And Dev, you mentioned Shakur, or they mentioned Shakur a minute ago. Both considered great technical boxers. What would you say are some differences between you guys, though?
I don't know. Really, I can't really say. I haven't really, I haven't been knowing Shakur, for a while, but I can't really say what's the difference. He got his style. He got the Shakur the style. I got the Devin style.
And just